Hello, good morning guys! So today is December 24, it's 5:14 in the morning. So magsisimbang gabi muna ako kasi gusto kong maranasan or gusto kong ma-experience yung traditional style na simbang gabi sa madaling araw. And kung napapansin nyo, ako lang mag-isa, wala si mami at yung mga bebe kasi masarap yung tulog nila, hindi ko na sila magising. And samahan nyo ako as I will try to vlog yung mga gagawin namin ngayong araw leading to Noche Buena mamayang gabi and Christmas also tomorrow. But for now, magsimbang gabi muna tayo. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako.
A few moments later.
And congratulations for those who finished the 9 days. Yung nakatapos ng 9 days. Ay, marami. Last year, who finished last year. So, it's really a big sacrifice to wake up early in the morning and attend the Aguinaldo Masses.
Kain tayo. Valentino. Ganito guys, ang simbahan. Pagkataas na simbahan. Yung mga pagkain. Pagkataas na simbahan. Yung mga
On January 3 and 4 here in our parish hall at 6:30 in the evening. That is Thursday and Friday.
So natapos na nga yung simbang gabi guys. So kahit pa paano nakapagdala ako ng konting pasalubong para sa mga bata. Ito mga donuts. Kasi gusto ni Raira yung donuts eh. And ang gagawin ko ngayon is ibabalot ko na yung mga regalo para sa mga bata. Mga regalo ni Santa. So nirequest ni Leon nung nagpicture taking kami kasama si Santa. Ibabalot ko na yon para bukas ng umaga bukas ng umaga December 25 paggising nila makita nila yung mga regalo sa Santa. Ilalagay ko sa ilalim ng Christmas tree yun mamayang gabi pagkatulog na sila after namin mag-celebrate ng Noche Buena pagkatulog na sila. Ilalagay ko dun yun. Kaya doon muna tayo ngayon. So ang susunod na gagawin natin is uwi sa bahay, pupunta sa storage area ng building namin at doon ko ibabalot yung mga pasalubong sa mga bata. So there you go guys, katapos lang natin magsimbang gabi. So medyo maliwanag na, like kanina medyo madilim pa. So siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit even though this is the last day of simbang gabi, nagsimbang madaling araw pa rin ako. Kasi guys, alam mo yun, nami-miss ko yung feeling ng nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako na nagsisimbang madaling araw ako. Nandun yung challenge yung babangon ka sa madaling araw para mag-ready, para magsimba. Kasi iba pa rin yung feeling na sa madaling araw ka nagsisimba as opposed na yung ibang ginagawa ng ibang simbahan dito na 7 o'clock ng gabi, simbang gabi. Parang, wala nang challenge yun. Hindi ka na kailangang gumising ng madaling araw, di ba? Kasi magwo-work ka and then tapos sa hapon, pagkatapos mo mag-work, diretso ka na sa simbang gabi. Hindi ka na na-challenge para hindi mo na na-challenge yung sarili mo para bumangon ng madaling araw, para maglaan ng oras, para nga makapagsimba, makapaglaan ng oras sa Diyos. Kasi guys, itong mga little sacrifices na ito, kahit pa paano na iaano mo sa sarili mo, na ipuprove mo sa sarili mo kung gaano ka dedicated pagdating sa pagsisimba nga, pagdating sa pag-worship kay God, Kasi nga, magpapasko, it's his birthday. So, parang treat mo na lang sa sarili mo yun na do a little bit sacrifice for him. So, yun yung reason kaya nagsimba ako ng madaling araw. And at the same time, nakita nyo naman yung kanina, yung feeling, yung ambience ng pagsisimba. Tagalog yung sermon, Tagalog yung sinasalita ng pare, yung mga kanta Tagalog. So parang feeling mo nasa Pilipinas ka pa rin while umatin ka ng simbang gabi. And at the same time, pagkatapos ng simbang gabi, pagtapos ng misa, may mga kainan. And maya-maya nga ng konti, pumunta ako sa storage para magbalot-balot ng mga ireregalo sa mga bata. And ang ireregalo ko naman kay Mrs. Since si Mami, tuwing nireregaluhan ko siya, hindi na-enjoy yung mga nireregalo ko sa kanya. Ang ending, bumabalik kami sa tindahan na pinagbilhan ko para ipapalit yung mga yon. Every year, ganun yung nangyayari. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, bibigyan ko na lang siya ng $50. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa box na ito. Ewan ko kung anong iisipin niya. Baka siguro isipin niya kung ano yung laman ng box na ito. Akala niya siguro jewelry. Pero, ang totoo nun is, $50 lang ilalagay ko rito. So sana yung maging reaction niya nakakatuwa, wag sana siyang mainis sa akin. Pero siguro naman hindi. So tingnan natin, ito yung ireregalo natin sa kanya. So yun nga guys, so ngayon pupunta na ako sa storage area para ibalot naman yung pasalubong ng mga bata mula kay Santa Claus. So pupunta na tayo sa storage ng building namin. Yan. Locker room. Ayan. Yung storage na build namin guys. So ito yung storage namin. So ito yung regalo na request ng mga bata kay Santa Claus. Kasi nagpunta kami kay Santa Claus. Nag-picture taking kami kay Santa Claus the other day, parang last week. So ang request ni Rai Rai is Capital House. Ang request ni ate is Lego. Yan, Lego piece kay Rai Rai. Capital House. So ibabalot ko muna yung regalo ng mga bata. Yung regalo ni Santa sa mga bata. So siguro magtataka kayo bakit kay Santa Claus namin pinapangalan. Baka kasi may mga bashers tayo dyan nagsasabi na Christmas is all about Jesus, pero bakit ini-instill natin sa kanila si Santa Claus? Ito opinion ko lang naman, kaya namin ginagawa yun. Kasi mga bata pa lang sila, gusto naming ma-enjoy nila yung spirit of Christmas, yung joyful ambience ng Christmas season. Na kahit mga bata pa lang sila, gusto namin na ma-experience nila si Santa Claus. Kasi nung bata kami sa Pilipinas, si Santa Claus hanggang sa TV lang namin nakikita. Wala naman talagang nagre-regalo sa amin galing kay Santa. So, gusto namin ipa-experience sa kanila yun habang bata pa sila. Although syempre, darating yung time na pag lumaki na sila, marirealize nila na hindi talaga galing kay Santa yon. Yung panganay nga namin si Tay, alam niya na si Santa Claus ay ako nga. Pero, still, gusto pa rin namin ma-experience nila para naman masabi nila na napagdaanan nila yung phase na yon. Pinapag-aral naman namin sila sa Catholic school eh. So, eventually, malalaman nila, or kahit ngayon, tinuturo namin what Christmas is all about. It's all about Jesus. Although at the same time, ayaw namin i-deprive sila sa mga masasayang memories ng Christmas like kay Santa Claus, kay Rudolph, sa mga reindeers. And at the same time, ayaw din namin ialis sa kanila yung talagang meaning ng Christmas, which is all about Jesus. So gusto namin ipa-experience sa kanila lahat ng to without depriving them anything about Christmas. So nandyan yung birthday ni Jesus and at the same time, nandyan yung si Santa Claus nga. So, baba na tayo. Punta muna kami ng Costco para mamili ng mga ihahanda mamayang gabi. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Have to buy some stuff for tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For Christmas Eve.
So, nandito tayo sa Costco.
That's okay. I handle it.
No. There might be cars.
There's no car like that.
Okay.
I can
So,
handle
see you sa loob, guys. Gusto ng mga bata ng giveaways, ng free giveaways. Sige tayo. Mga ate. Thank you. Right. Tastes good? How about you, ate? Tastes good? Okay, let's go back to mommy now.
1 hour later.
Hello, ate. Like the Sunday fudge? Like the Sunday fudge, right? So, ito yung mga ihahanda namin mamaya. May sushi, may cake, and si mami kumakain ng hotdog. So, tapos na tayo sa Costco. Let's go! Uwi na tayo, guys. Time log, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, pupunta muna kami sa church to watch, anong concert, mami, ng mga bata?
Concert, mass yun.
Hindi, 5 o'clock yung Mars. Mars. 5 o'clock.
Pageant.
So, may pageant sa school. It's like more of
Sa
the...
church. Limay sa
So, may
church.
pageant sa school.
Sa
It's-
church. Sa church.
So, may pageant sa church. It's more of a like a Christmas story, right? Yeah, Christmas story. And then pagkatapos noon, mass time para sa mga bata, children's mass. Let's go? Let's go.
I'm even McDonald's.
Dandaw. These are the animals.
That good is God.
Ay, si Rai. Nakita ko.
Isn't God wonderful?
Ayun sila.
Absolutely. Isn't God wonderful?
Ay, si Rai.
Very good. God is so wonderful. And that's the lesson of this story.
Mass. So, kailangan namin umuwi to prepare for our Noche Buena. Uwi tayo, mami? Time check, guys. It's 10 o'clock in the evening. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-handa ng pagkain. Mami, ano niluluto natin?
Lulutuan.
Ano nga ang niluluto natin?
Chicken karag.
Chicken karage, tsaka ano luto?
Udon na
Pansit?
yan.
Udon, pansit.
Pansit udon.
So, medyo Japanese ang team namin ngayon. Japanese ang Noche Buena. So, maya-maya magre-ready na kami. Ayun guys, natapos na rin yung paghahanda.
I can do that.
Ayan yung mga munting handa namin. May cake, may leche flan, may malagkit. Siyempre, di mawala yung alak.
Show me, show me.
May sushi, may lechon manok, udon, at saka karage. At nakabis na yung mga bata. Kami dalawa na lang ni Mami hindi pa nagbibis. Bisa tayo, Mami? Ah, sige, para maumpisa ng Noche Buena. Just gonna dress up, okay guys?
One blow.
1, 2, bro, Laray.
One blow, though.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Go. Harder.
No.
Yay!
Good job.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear baby Jesus.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby Jesus. I hope you have fun.
Okay. Oh, love you. Oh, blow the candle. Yay! So there you go guys, natapos na yung Noche Buena namin. Ayun si ate, naglalaro ng video game PS5. Dapat kasi mag-ano pa kami, magi-games pa sana kami, tapos may mga dance presentation pa. Pero si Rai Rai, dahil hindi siya natulog kanina, hindi siya nag-nap nung tanghali. So agad inantok, so hindi na namin nagawa yung ibang mga programs namin. So hanggang kain lang kami. Tapos yung mga regalo naman, ayan, bukas na lang nila bubuksan. Kasi nga, hinihintay nila yung mga regalo ni Santa. Tsaka pag binuksan nila ngayon, baka hindi na sila makatulog eh. Kundi, baka maglaro lang sila na maglaro at hindi na sila makatulog. Kaya, bukas nila lang nila bubuksan yung mga regalo. Right, ate? Did you understand what I said?
Yeah,
A little or everything?
everything.
You understood everything?
Yeah, you said, oh, we were gonna do games and presentation, but Ryan was so sleepy because she didn't take a nap, so she's gonna sleep, so we're gonna do them tomorrow. And as you can see, we still have presents. We didn't want to open them now, so that we can open them with Santa's present. Also, we opened them, we're not gonna sleep, and we can play with it. Done.
Good job!
Period!
Good job. I thought you never understood Tagalog. Okay, fine. So you did. Go, go, go. So bukas guys, samahan nyo kami, bubuksan namin yung mga regalo, ha? Tomorrow again.
And you just said that we're gonna open them tomorrow!
Okay, ate. Good job.
1 hour later.
So, tulog na ang lahat guys. Samahan niyo ako, kukuhanin ko na yung mga regalo sa storage at ibababa ko na. Mga regalo ni Santa. Kukuhanin ko na. So, ayun na guys. Na ano natin, na-set up na natin yung mga regalo ni Santa. So, So, bukas pagising ng mga bata, I hope sana ma-shock sila or ma-excite sila pag nakita nila ito. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye!
The next day.
So big!
I know.
Yeah, I just want to give mommy my present. That's all I want to give. This is for
This is.
Wait, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Kinakabahan ako.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Kinakabahan ako pag yun.
Sit down. Sit down.
Well, please don't sweat from who?
And then Santa, this is mine.
Santa came last night. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door or no?
No, it was Santa. He left it open. And then I let you open my present.
Now, mommy, I want you to sit down. I want you to sit down.
Mommy's so.
Kinakabahan
Sit
ako.
down, sit down.
Mommy's panicking about how much
Sit down.
money.
Because this is my present, mommy. That's why I want mommy to.
Kinakabahan ako pag gagaling sa'yo.
That's my present.
My present was on the bed, just same as last week, but it was
Kinakabahan ako pag
I,
gagaling.
I left the door open. I didn't lock.
Hindi ka masok sa
That's
surprise.
why.
Kinakabahan ko pag gagaling.
You're not Santa. Dad,
Why is mommy like that? She doesn't trust me. Open it.
that's because last year on your birthday you gave her a
Earphone.
lot. Yeah, you didn't give her a really special gift.
No, that's really, really special. I work hard for that. I mean, I look hard for that. What does it say, mommy?
Money. You just gave her money.
Because every time I buy her a gift, she always return it to the store.
Then give me jewelry. I want to return it.
It's so expensive.
Oh, $100 is expensive. My turn. I want to open. This is from what happened. I'm guessing money. Yeah, I think it's money. Oh, what is it? Yes, it's money.
Oh, mommy, you have to tell them what to do with
$100. Drop your money. Drop your
Let's take
money.
mama please.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Okay, start opening the please. Okay, together.
Ah! And the guy's
Yes, thank you.
I'm going to New York City. I'm going to New York City.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. What do you have?
Eat.
Oh boy, you're so lucky.
Wow. Thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Santa, for making my wish come true. Now I want you to open mine.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
Mommy and Daddy.
Come on, let's open it, Daddy. What is this? Oh, so many.
That one's not hard. I tried making something.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Having awesome time. Reading Christmas history. I
What's
love
this
it.
one, right? This is mine?
That's mine.
Oh, Santa gifts.
Phone and computer.
Can you open this?
Santa is watching you. Dear Mommy and Daddy, Merry Christmas. I know I have not been my best this year, but I will keep trying to be good.
Is that true?
Even if I still do it, I'll learn from my mistakes. Oh, really? And try again. Thank you for loving me.
Daddy, open it.
Okay, before we open it, let's say bye-bye to our
Bye-bye.
Let's give them first a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, 1, 2,
There
3.
you go.
From our
Feliz
family,
Navidad.
from our family to yours, Merry
Feliz
Christmas
Navidad.
and a Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Thank you for watching.
Espado.
Always remember, Christmas is all about
Christ. Christ.
Christ, baby Jesus, the birth of baby Jesus. So may you all have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Please don't forget, subscribe, like this channel, and click the notification bell. Drop your comments. Thank you very much. Bye.